Replacing the UV lamp. The UV lamp must be replaced once its maximum lifetime expired. This is after 8,000 or 16,000 operating hours, depending on the lamp type. Switch off the UV system. Allow the unit to cool down for at least 10 minutes. Turn the cable gland and the lamp coupling so that the lamp cable comes loose. Pull the lamp cable out of the quartz sleeve and then disconnect the lamp cable from the UV lamp. Never touch the lamp with bare hands. Always use the gloves supplied. Remove the UVC lamp from the reactor and store it in a safe place. Check if the safety spring is in place at the end of the quartz sleeve. Position the new lamp so that the wires do not obstruct the UV sensor. Slide the new UVC lamp into the quartz sleeve. Reconnect the lamp cable to the UV lamp. Tighten the lamp coupling clockwise by hand. Push the lamp cable inwards until you feel resistance from the safety spring. Pull the lamp cable back slightly and tighten the cable gland by turning it clockwise. To prevent the UV lamp from rotating, hold the lamp cable in place whilst tightening the cable gland. Switch the UV system back on. Watch our video on resetting lamp hours here and calibrating your UV sensor if you have one.